Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. These are Christmas cards that I made for Christmas in July. So let me share with you what I used to create these cards. I used the Rosie Studios Peppermint Twist paper pad, 6x6. It has 40 sheets with 20 designs. Super cute paper pad. Love the colors, very light and just kind of pastel-y. And then from Rosie Studio, the Peppermint Twist die cut cardstock ephemera. And I did use a lot of this, but there's 110 pieces in here, so I still have tons I can use. The candy embellishments, which are so pretty, and I have several of those left. And then the chipboard embellishments, it was 2 sheets. You can see I still have several on that page, and then I think I didn't use any off of this page. From Hero Arts, I used the stamp set. It's called Snowflake Messages. Super sweet. From Spellbinders, this is Nicole's Needlework Sentiments. It's 6 stamps. From Photo Play, this stamp set, it's called Religious Sentiments, and super cute inside and out religious sentiments. So on the front of the card and on the inside of the card. From Jean Marie, I used this Rick Rack nested die set. From Spellbinders, I used the notch corner frames. Also the Essential 4-petal labels, and the Perfect Touch arches and tags. So let me share the cards with you. I made several cards. Now the first 2 cards I did share in another video for Two Crafters One Design for their Saturday prompt was Christmas in July. So these are the 2 cards that, if you saw that video, that I made for Two Crafters One Design. So let me share the additional cards that I made. Got this one. It says All is Bright. Super pretty. So simple. Then we have this one here. This is one of my favorites. I don't know, the brown and the pink, I think, go really well together. Then we have this little cutie. It's pink and green. And it has a little embellishment that says Santa Claus, North Pole. Really pretty. And this one that says Fa la 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 la. La 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 la. It's really cute. And these cards are complete. As I said, I've gotten the sentiments stamped on the inside. Here's another one. I don't know if I pulled that die set out. And then I used a little bit of the paper on the inside of that one. There's this one, another pink and green. And I used some of the pattern paper on the bottom here, which I think is a little crooked, but oh well. And then this one's 'Tis the Season. I kind of just did a little different type of sentiment. I think this is really pretty. Super simple. Then I just used a little of the paper with the floral. And then this one says Magical Moments. Got the little gingerbread in there. And there was, I don't know, there's a kind of a stripe running through that, and I don't know if that's something I did. So I don't know. This card just may be staying with me. I'm not sure. But look how cute that is on the inside. And then this one, the little, no, it's on this one too. So that must have just been a, in the production of it, kind of got messed up. And then that one, there's one of the envelopes. And then last but not least, this is sweet too. And then it has that one in there. So those are all the cards that I made for Christmas in July. Still got a ton of cards to make, but I had fun using this set, and I think I've never made this many Christmas cards super early, like I'm really prepared, but there you go. Let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers out there, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.